Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the trigonometry question which I have written on the whiteboard. Here we need to solve this trigonometric question without using trigonometric tables, which means we need to use the trigonometric identities and trigonometric formulas. A given sine square 34 plus sine square 56 plus 2 tan 18 and tan 72 minus cot square 30. So we are going to use these trigonometric identities, which is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and then cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, and the tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Okay. So write down the given expression again, which is sine square 34 plus sine square of 56 plus 2 tan 18 into tan 72 minus cot square 30. Okay, write down that sine square 34 as it is, and sine 56 can be written as 90 minus 34. So sine square 56 can be written as sine square 90 minus 34. Again, tan 18 can be written as tan 90 minus 72. So because 90 minus 72 becomes 18, and then tan 72 minus cot square 30. Now write down the sine square 34 as it is, which is sine square 34 plus sine 90 minus 34, which means it's in the form of 90 minus theta. So here theta is 34 degrees. So it will become cos square 34. Similarly, tan 90 minus 72 becomes cot 72. And then tan 72 minus cot square 30. Now write down sine square 34 as it is, then cos square 34, and then cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So cot 72 can be written as 1 by tan 72 into tan 72 minus cot square theta. Here cot square 30. So here we can cancel out tan 72 and tan 72 because it's in the numerator and denominator. And we know that other trigonometric identities, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and cos theta is equals to, the cot theta is equals to tan theta, and cot 30 degrees. Cot 30 degrees means square root 3. So we'll get sine square 34 plus cos square 34 becomes 1. So and 2 into 1, and cot square 30 is root 3 square. So root 3 square becomes 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 becomes 0. So the answer is 0. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.